Heroes. Finally, I got my gift. So today we're gonna unbox this Black Heroes. So it's traveled all the way from Thailand to here. I'm already sure that this is very durable because the way to here is like it's not very pleasant in my experience. Okay, already looking good. You can see all the specification here. All right, I can't wait. Let's do it. Oh wait, they already have this. Voila. It's too small, look at that. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a struggle I really had. That is how to open your GoPro battery. So the first time, like when I got it for the first time, I don't know how to get it. I know that this is the battery component, but like I just can't figure out how to really open it without damaging the GoPro. So I'm gonna show you guys. You see the little dish here? Just put your nails into that and then push it down a little bit. You might need to use a little bit of your force because you know GoPro, like they can be a little bit. Here you go, like you see the red dots and then you hear the sounds and then you just gently leave it off. So this is the battery components. Little dogs, little spot here is for your SD card. So I'm gonna grab one and then trying to put it here. So you see that here? I'll just put it just like that. It's in. You see the yellow? It's my SD card. And here it is for your to charge your battery. So I will just demonstrate to you guys a little bit. So you got your Type-C here and then just put it here. Make sure that your GoPro is dry before charging your GoPro. So that's just for the safety. Although these things can dive around like 10 meters, 12 meters, you need to dry it back every time you open your battery components. So right now I'm gonna put my battery in and then trying to wake this guy up, and then we're gonna see like what kind of function this guy have. Okay, so I would just put it this way all the way down and push it a little bit, just like that, and then you gently push back until you hear the click. Yeah. So everything's set up. So I'm gonna try to wake up this guy. Here is your turn on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So right now it's on. In a little moment, I'm gonna connect this guy with my phone. So you have all the language option here. I would just choose English. You have to agree, right? Voice control, yeah, of course, on. Language, English, yes. Install, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna return after this.